Today we're going to solve the problem. Finnegan shot 2 rolls of film. That means he took pictures with 36 exposures on each roll. An exposure is an old-fashioned way of taking digital pictures. It uses the film. So he shot 2 rolls of film and with 36 pictures on each roll. It cost $32.40 to develop all the pictures. How much did it cost for each picture? You can do this with proportions and two-step problems, but we're going to try multiplying ratios today. So the first ratio you actually start with is that 36 exposures on each roll. That would be your first ratio. 36 exposures or 36 pictures on per one roll. How many rolls of film did he take? Two. Can y'all imagine only taking 36 pictures per roll of film and then you have to stop? Not like the thousands we can take on our digital cameras today. So now if you multiply that, whole numbers go over 1. What do you notice about the word roll? Is 1 on, where's 1? 1's on, and 1's on. So the word itself, roll, can actually cancel like you cancel with multiplying fractions. Now you can multiply the top. 36 times 2 is 72 exposures, 4 over 1. The next thing is, how much did it cost for each picture? So your question is actually, what is the cost per picture? What I like about word problems is it actually keeps it in the same order as the problem itself. What is the cost per picture? So first of all, how much is the total cost?
$32.40.
$32.40. Per, actually, because it's part of the question, actually means divide. If it's part of the question, the word per in the question means divide. And how many pictures did we take all together? Or how many exposures did we have all together? 72. So this is your problem. You can actually do cost per picture. $32.40 divided by 72 is going to give you, we're going to long divide that, $32.40 divided by 72 exposures. I'm going to pause that while everybody calculates. So when I did $32.40 divided by the 72 exposure, it gave me 45 cents, and your final answer is, it is 45 cents per exposure or per picture. That is your answer on number 1.